Imagine you're about to buy a new smartphone. You could look at advertisements from the company itself, but many people do something different first. They watch a YouTube review or a TikTok video from a creator they trust. If that creator recommends the phone, it immediately feels more believable than a traditional advertisement. This shift in how people trust information has given rise to one of the fastest growing strategies in marketing today: influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is the practice of collaborating with individuals who have built large and engaged audiences online. These individuals, often called influencers or content creators, share opinions, experiences, and recommendations with their followers on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitch. Because their audiences trust their content, their recommendations can strongly influence purchasing decisions. One of the reasons influencer marketing works so well is credibility. Traditional advertisements are clearly designed to sell something, so audiences often view them with skepticism. Influencers, however, usually build their audiences by sharing authentic experiences and expertise. When they review a product or demonstrate how they use it in real life, the recommendation feels more natural and trustworthy. Influencers also exist in different categories depending on the size and focus of their audience. Mega influencers are celebrities or creators with millions of followers who can give brands massive visibility. Macro influencers typically have hundreds of thousands of followers and strong influence within specific industries. Micro influencers, who may have smaller but highly engaged audiences, are often very effective because their followers trust them deeply and view them as relatable experts. Many major brands have successfully used influencer marketing to expand their reach. For example, fashion companies often partner with lifestyle influencers on Instagram, while technology brands collaborate with YouTube creators who specialize in product reviews. When done correctly, these partnerships allow brands to reach audiences that traditional advertising might struggle to access. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube have made influencer marketing even more powerful by allowing content to spread quickly through shares and recommendations. A single viral video can introduce a product to millions of viewers within hours. This is why many companies now allocate a significant portion of their marketing budgets to collaborations with creators. Influencer marketing works because it blends content, storytelling, and trust. Instead of interrupting audiences with ads, brands become part of the content people already enjoy watching. As long as authenticity remains central to these partnerships, influencer marketing will continue to play a major role in how brands connect with modern consumers. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore how companies maintain long-term relationships with customers through email marketing and marketing automation.